First up, the Palaszczuk government needed to apologise to the people of Blackwater today, and the Premier, she did.
Of course, we're very sorry for the distress that the family is going through at the moment and has experienced. And to the people of Blackwater, thank you very much for cooperating, and we had to take the advice of health at the time, and that rapid response was deployed.
Just over a week ago, Queensland's Chief Medical Officer Dr Jeanette Young rushed to the little western town of Blackwater when a young man, Nathan Turner, who was only 30, died, fearful he was a victim of coronavirus. Now, at the time, Premier Anastasia Palaszczuk was under tremendous pressure to change the government's roadmap on easing restrictions and opening borders. Mr Turner's death fitted the narrative that the health of Queenslanders must come first and the economy a distant second. Hundreds of people in Blackwater were tested for COVID-19, and the bakery where Mr Turner's fiancée worked was shut down. Blackwater was effectively put into lockdown. Then questions emerged about the role a Rockhampton nurse played in the affair, with suggestions she'd been to Blackwater during May. Labor MPs were briefing journalists off the record about the story, and it was not portraying Blackwater or the nurse in a positive light. In fact, the nurse was demonised. Last night, however, it was revealed, about 7 o'clock, that Mr Turner did not die with COVID-19 in his system. The first anybody heard last night of Mr Turner's autopsy result was a Facebook post by the Blackwater Bakery. Then Dr Young confirmed soon after the public Facebook post that Mr Turner did not have coronavirus, but they were not sure exactly how he died. Now, almost 2,000 people had signed a petition pressuring the Premier and Dr Young to issue an apology to the folk of Blackwater and, of course, Mr Turner's family and fiancée. This is what they said. Your leadership created emotional, mental and physical trauma for the loved ones of Nathan's family and friends, and especially his fiancée, Simone, the petition said. Now, Nathan's passing was used as a tool to create chaos and panic to a community, state and country. A family had to silently grieve in pain as they watched a nation be lied to about Nathan's cause of death. That's what the petition said. They're entitled to be angry. So too the Rocky nurse. It was a sham, whichever way you look at it.